Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. My friend is suffering from occasional cold hands and feet. So this week I'm going to show you several ways to warm up your cold hands and feet with her in mind, but I'm sure it will help many others too. When you have cold hands and feet, I think it's the best if you can soak in a nice warm bath or have nice foot bath or a nice hand bath. But if you don't have access to a nice bath, do this to help warm them up. Grab the ankle with one hand, weave fingers between the toes, and rotate the ankle in one direction 10 times. I'm learning more and more about the importance of having flexible ankles, and this is very helpful. Then rotate in the other direction 10 times. Then pump the toes with weaved fingers 10 times. Think of squeezing a sponge to let the blood in and out. And give a little shake and rub to each toe one by one. Repeat on the other side. Close your feet and open your feet. Close your feet and open your feet by really spreading your toes. Repeat this 10 times. Weave the fingers and rotate your wrists 10 times in one direction. Then 10 times in the other direction. Pump the fingers 10 times. Shake each finger one by one. And rub each finger upwards. It's easy to see the blood flow in the fingertips. Repeat on the other side. Close your hands with your thumbs inside and open your hands. Repeat this 10 times. You can do the ankle and wrist rotations and close and open of the hands and feet at the same time if you are sitting or lying in bed. Next, bounce with loose arms and hands. Keep your hands really loose like you're shaking water off your hands. This actually energizes the entire body. I learned this technique from Dr. John Gray, the author of Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. I don't know if the centripetal force helps the blood to get to the fingertips, but it sure feels that way. I like to keep my heels up a little and not quite touch the ground to work on my calf muscles, but if it's too much, just use your knees to bounce. Another thing I do for cold hands is to play with an energy ball. This is easy if you practice an energy work such as Reiki or Qigong exercise. Basically, you create an energy ball between your hands. You can turn it and press it between the hands. I think my hands get activated when I massage, but this helps to heat up my hands. I hope you found at least one that will help you with your cold hands and feet. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos up and out.